by the personnel of the Police Ordnance, Explosive Ordnance Department. That's our EOD, the department that is equipped, is trained, is charged with the responsibility of taking care of bomb situations, of explosives of any kind. And this consignment was being duly escorted. But unfortunately, along the road here, the vehicle developed a fault. And when the driver noticed it, in fact, from the explanation of the escort commander, they had to try to move away from where there were houses so that they could park and see if they could put off the problem. That was when they immediately parked, and he came out and noticed that smoke was emitting from the engine. In his effort to put it off, to control it, was not possible, rather it was fire. Of course, they had to move away from the scene, and the normal professional drill, the escort personnel had to...
ó lè ṣe pipeline.
This is possibility ground.